Welcome to another episode of Inbound Marketing in 5 minutes a day. I'm Cody Swan of Gunner Technology, and I wanted to take a second, and I know I'm trying to stick this to 5 minutes, so I'll keep it short, but I just wanted to say thanks for the feedback. We've been getting a lot of email on this, and it's been very positive, this series, and some people didn't know exactly how we wanted to be contacted. You can email us, which is just contact@gunnertech.com. You can go to our website, gunnertech.com, and leave a comment or use our contact form to contact us. You can comment on the video you're watching right now if you're on YouTube. You can go to our Google Plus page and leave a comment there. You can go to our Facebook page and leave a comment there. You can tweet us at @gunnertech. So pretty much there's any number of ways you can contact us. And we are definitely taking your suggestions and planning future content around there. So anything you can think of that you would like to know related to inbound marketing, please let us know. Now, we do plan on taking this to other social networks and expanding upon it as we go along and getting more detail in specific areas. But if you have any questions or think we've left something out, please let us know and we'll try to make a video just to cover what you're looking for. Now, on to today's lesson. Last time after we created our Google Reader account, we added our resources to that Reader account. Now that we have this great sort of magazine of incoming content, we need to be able to pick out what the best content is and share that quickly with our prospects. So let's see how to do that. So we're going to jump back to our Google Reader account here, and I wanted to show you something really quickly about Google Reader. We're going to go to Reader Settings, and we are going to go to Goodies. No, it's not under Goodies. We want to turn on Smoothly Scroll Between Items, and we go back to Preferences, and that's all. Start Page we want to set to right now. We can set it to Cupcakes if we want to. Since it's the only one in there, you may want to do that. You can set it to All Items if you want. I recommend either Home or All Items, so we'll leave it at Home. So we'll go back to Google Reader right now, and I wanted to show you something really quick that'll help you navigate around Google Reader faster. Google Reader, and you hit Shift ? It'll bring up these keyboard shortcuts, which will help you navigate and act upon items a lot quicker inside Google Reader. Now, I won't go over each one of these in turn, but I recommend you get familiar with this in order to make this this part of the inbound marketing campaign go by a lot quicker. So you can see here there's section for acting on items, jumping between items, navigating, and for the application itself. So that's a quick way to use Google Reader. Now, last time we added all these items. Now we're going to do what's called curating, which is look through them and find the best. So let's say we're looking through here and we find the best. We're like, oh, this is really good. My prospects would eat this stuff up. And now again, this is not your content. This is other expert content that's really good. You don't want to, at this point, be marketing yourself. You want to just be establishing yourself as a valuable source of information on cupcakes. So when we come across something that we like, we're going to click +1, and so there it goes, and then it pops up this. We +1'd it. Now it asks us to add a comment and share it. We don't have to. We can just close it and it'll just +1 it. But I strongly recommend adding a comment and sharing it. So here, first of all, it says that we're going to share this with our cupcake prospects. If you don't want to share it with your cupcake prospects, if this is, say, for example, birthday cakes, you would click this X and then click Add More People and add your other circles from the prospects that you're interested in. Now, so in the comment, I suggest, again, adding something of value to the post. For example, tell your prospects why they'll find this interesting. Like, and then you're going to click share. And that's it. It's shared. Now, you're going to want to do that for every piece of content that you think is really good. Not every piece of content, but every piece of content that you think is really good. Say the top 10% of the content you come across. You're going to want to +1 and share. Now, if there's something on here that you don't necessarily agree with that you want to share, you don't want to +1 it, but you do want to share it, for example. You can share this, and you can say something like, totally disagree with this. Dinosaurs on, if I can spell today, on a cupcake, that's just tacky. So you don't have to like it. You can still share it, and then get feedback. And if you want to add a little something else, you can say totally disagree with this. There's a hidden gem in there to make sure you proofread what you write before you post it to your prospects. So totally disagree with this. Dinosaurs on a cupcake, that's just tacky. What do you all think? And now we didn't endorse it, but we did share it, and we're starting dialogue along that. So that's all there is to it. Just quickly scanning your Google Reader account and +1 or sharing the top 10% of the content. And so that covers broadly our look at Google Reader as sort of a hub of aggregating good content. Now again, you're going to want to do this every day. It doesn't take a lot of effort, and really get familiar with Google Reader. As we expand upon these episodes and move into other networks, we're going to be coming back to Google Reader time and time again. So really get familiar with it. Next time, we're going to start looking at creating your own content.